The teacher will group these tasks on the whiteboard and ask students for input as the story goes along. This will work towards Program with Studies 1.2, Clarify and Extend, combining ideas and recording ideas and information in ways that make sense. After finishing reading, have students write 3 things their parents do for them and 3 things they do on their own at home. Hopefully modeling this after what is categorized on the whiteboard will help to give students a sense of what the teacher is looking for in relation to their own family. Then you'll ask students to compare this with a partner to see what is similar and what is different. This will work towards Program of Studies 1.2, Clarify and Extend, considering the ideas of others and connecting own ideas and experiences with those shared by others. Students will then create their own mini digital book using Little Bird Tales. The teacher can give a quick demonstration on how to use this app for any students that are unfamiliar with it. All students will have a chance to use either an iPad or a computer to write or narrate and illustrate 3 questions and responses. You can give the guide, which parent is there when, ? And blank is there when I blank. If students prefer, they can draw and write on paper and then use pictures of their work to create the story on the app. For the sake of this assignment, students will not worry about mimicking the rhyming nature of A Tale of Two Mommies. By creating this digital book, students will be working towards Program of Studies 2.2, Respond to Texts, and constructing meaning from texts. They'll be connecting situations portrayed in oral, print, and other media text to personal and classroom experiences. By having students reproduce part of the text using their own examples, students will demonstrate their understanding of the literature and how it relates to their own personal experiences. Little Bird Tales provides students the flexibility to work with pictures, drawings, text, and voiceover technology to craft an individual storybook in the mode they are most comfortable with, and then allowing them to share this with their classmates and beyond.